This is what we're going to make today. It's a winch for the back of my tractor, 3-point hitch. I made it out of an old broken grater blade. This is the blade you see here, and the idea of that, it's fashioned off of a logging winch where you can dig that into the ground to give you purchase, you know, to pull things. But I still don't have it wired into the tractor, the power to it. But I did get all of this done. So. And the frame made and all that. So, all right, let's get started. All right, this is what we're starting with. It's a old grater blade that's all bent up, and basically I destroyed it over the years. Alright, I've got cut a couple pieces of angle iron to fit my winch. It's about 24 inches long total. These are 26 inches long. And now I'm going to get these braces put in here. And I've ground them so that they'll fit inside this channel. So I just got to figure out where they're going to go and then get it prepped. Alright, I'm going to get this laid out. Now this is one of the brackets that holds the fair lead on, and so I'm trying to just get it, get the hole drilled out to bolt it on. Alright, I've got the brackets for the fair lead lined up. I bolted it on here, got these down, and then clamped them down. And now I'm getting ready to weld them in place. Alright, I'm drilling out the holes for the draw pins. And these are going to be 7/8 of an inch in diameter. Alright, so here's our plates for the draw pins, and I'm just getting them here. I'm going to get them tack welded and then I'll weld it on. Alright, I've got to get this over a little bit farther, so I got my jack here, and you can actually pinch between these two, so I think that'll do it. I got it blocked up and sitting on a 4x4 back here, so it'll be kind of tricky. Let's see if I can get it. Alright, I got a brace cut here to brace this blade so it doesn't bend back. Alright, that's got both the braces welded on the back. The last thing I got to do is brace this. And the way I'd like to do it is bring a bar down like this, but I can't because that's where the cables are. So what I'm going to do is run a heavy post down the back, and I think that'll be enough to support this. We'll just have to see, because the cable comes out here and the pins are here, so it doesn't have a lot of leverage to pull this forward. So I think what I'm going to do here will hold it. Alright, I think the rest of this will be easier on the tractor, so let's see if we can get it mounted. Alright, that's got it all put there on the tractor. I've still got to get it wired up to the front, but that's got the frame built and the winch installed, and so it's ready to go. Hope this project was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.